This is Mrs. Campbell, and I am going to show you how to create an Animoto video. So an Animoto video is a fun way to take information that you've learned in class, combine it with pictures and small videos and text, and share what you've learned. So to get started, go ahead and log in to your Animoto account. Your teacher should have that information. And to begin a new Animoto, simply come up here to Create and click on it. Now the first thing you're going to do is choose your style. And the style is going to be the background and the movement of your video. So I like to scroll down and browse by category. I just like to choose all because then I can see all of the styles at one time. Now to preview a style, see what it's going to look like, simply click on it. And then you'll see a small preview of what this style is going to look like. And you'll see once you're ready, when you find a style that you like, you can just simply click Create Video. But if you don't like that style after previewing it, then click the little X. Remember, you want to think about your topic, whatever your video is going to be about, and you want to find a style that kind of flows and really make sure the information you have to share stand out to your audience. Now some of the styles you have to pay for, which is probably not something you want to do. So if you open up a style to preview it, instead of say create video, it will say upgrade. So those are ones that you have to pay for, so I would just bypass that. Right, so once you've found a style that you like, go ahead and click Create Video. I'm going to choose Carousel for this video. Alright, now you're in the Animoto workspace. The very first thing that you want to do is rename your Animoto video. It's very important because once you've saved your video, if you haven't changed the name, it could be really hard to find. So go up here to My Animoto Video, click on it, and then you want to change that title. I'm going to call it This Civil Rights, because that's what my Animoto is going to be about. So if you want to change the name of who's producing it, you can do that. And then click Save. Alright, so now this is where you're going to add your text, your pictures, and your videos. And there are two ways to do that. You can see over here you've got a little toolbar where it says you can always change your style, add pics and videos, or add text. Or instead of clicking over here, you can simply go into your workspace. If you hover over one of these frames, the plus in the middle, and click on it, then it gives you an option to add pictures or video or add text. I always like to add a title to my videos. So I'm going to do that first. So when you simply add text, it gives you a spot to enter a title or enter a subtitle. Now if you notice, as I type, this faint number over here goes down. So you are limited in how much you can type. But there are ways to get around that if you're creative. If you run out of space, then you can simply continue in another slide, and that will fix your problem. So then once you're okay with what you've typed, click Save. Now I'm going to show you how to add a picture. So you can either add a picture from over here, or I just like to click in the workspace on a blank frame. And this little symbol right here stands for adding pictures or videos. It matches the one over here. So then you get this little screen. You can upload pictures and videos from your computer, or Animoto has an image library that you can use also, but typically you'll have your own pictures and video already saved that you want to put into your Animoto. So click on that. Alright, I'm talking about the civil rights movement in my video, so I want to start out, I think I want to start out with a little protest image. Alright, so once your image is loaded, you can see a little thumbnail of it. Now, there's a way to add text on just a blank slide, but you can also add a caption to a picture. If you see, if you hover over the bottom of the picture, it says caption. So you can click on the picture and it enlarges, and then down here you can add a caption. You are limited on how much you can type again, but my suggestion would be if you run out of room, just simply put the same picture in again and continue typing what you wanted to type as a caption. So see, I ran out of room. So what I might do, save that, insert another picture, upload pictures and video, upload the same picture, and now I can continue my caption, what I was writing. Let's see, during the civil rights movement there were many Now your caption doesn't have to be that long. It could also be a couple of words just explaining what's going on in the picture. So that's how you add just a basic text box, a picture or an image, and you can add a video the same way. So once you do that, there are a couple other things that you can do. If you add a picture and you don't like it, you simply click on it and you can delete it over here. Or, for example, I added a duplicate picture. You didn't want to go in this way. You can simply click on the picture and make a double of it. And it even copies over your caption. So if you have to be careful with that. If you don't want that caption, you can go in and delete the caption. I'm going to delete that picture. You can also rotate an image, or if you have an image, say I pulled in another image. This time I'm going to do LBJ. And say I want Animoto to really focus on that picture for an extended period of time. Click on it, and then I would spotlight it. So that picture will last longer than some of the other pictures and be a little bit larger in showcase. So that's a way to do that. So that's how you add text and pictures and videos. After you do that, you can go ahead and play around with your music. Now, the style you choose already comes with a song, but you can go ahead and change that if you want to. All you have to do is come up here to where the song title is, click on it, and then it brings you to their music library. So come down here to Browse Full Library. Then it has lots of different songs that you can choose from. You can just simply click on them to play and hear what it's going to sound like. Once you preview a song by clicking on the little play button, if you like it, you can click Select Song. If not, simply click on another one to preview it. Or if you're finished and you like the music that your style came with, just simply click the X to exit out the music. Now, one last thing you can do in your Animoto video to customize it is come up to this little wheel up here, and this lets you trim the song or kind of slow down or speed up your image pacing. Once you've added all of the images, videos, all of the text boxes, the captions that you want to in your Animoto video and you're happy with the song, you can go ahead and preview your video. Your preview usually takes a couple seconds to appear and load. So once you've watched it, if you find some mistakes, then you can just go back and continue editing. If you're happy with your video and you're ready to produce it, then you click the blue Produce button. It will bring you back to a screen where it can make sure that you like your title, and if you want to put a date in or your name, you can do that, and then simply click Finish. Then it will bring you to your completed Animoto video. You see this pink line finalizing at the end. Before you close out of your Animoto video, you need to make sure that that pink line has gone all the way and it says your video is now finalized, or it might not completely go through. So then here, you can get the link to your Animoto video so you can share it with your friends and your teacher. So that is how you can create an Animoto video. I hope you have fun sharing all of the great things that you've learned with Animoto.